Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn TV. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. What shape is the earth? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle. What is the largest planet in our solar system? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jupiter. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. William Shakespeare. What is the largest land animal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cheetah. What is the capital of France? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Paris. How many continents are there on Earth? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7. Who discovered gravity? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isaac Newton. What is the largest ocean on Earth? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pacific. What is H2O commonly known as? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Water. Which bird is known for making me sounds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Parrot. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Diamond. Which planet is close to the Sun? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mercury. Thanks for watching Learn TV.